welcome back to the JDH Racing YouTube channel. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be building some headers for the Capri. But before we get into that, what we need to do is make up a DIY purge mount. So got a header flange, got a bit of 90x50 box mill. What we'll do is build some caps on, drill some holes, and hopefully it works out. Okay, so there you have it. That is a very rough but ready purge plug. So got our purge ports 1, 2, 3, and 4 for our argon to come out of, and then we've got 3 bolts tapped, ready to hold the flange down, and then argon in port just down the right hand side. Sweet. Let's get to making the headers. Okay, so that's the first exhaust tacked up. Time to pull it off, connect it to the purge setup, and then get it all fully welded. Cool, check back in a second. Okay, so that's the headers all fabricated on the Capri. Unfortunately, I stopped videoing as I broke my phone, so you wouldn't have seen the full process of the headers being fabricated. But that's them all fitted up. Wastegates fitted, screamer pipes. They've taken the actual exhaust off of this side, so you can't see. But I'll put a picture of what it looks like in the back of the video. Okay, so thank you for tuning in to this week's episode on JDH Racing YouTube channel. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching me make some headers. It's a little bit boring, so I did cut some of the videos a little bit short, quite repetitive. But as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please do drop us a comment in the comment below with anything you'd like to see moving forward. And please check out our Facebook and Instagrams. It's at JDH Racing Chassis Works and Fabrication on Facebook, and at JDH Racing 94 on Instagram. Thank you very much.